What Austin thinks about the Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory being in their city. Tesla officials yesterday touted the benefits of the Austin region if it builds its proposed $1 billion Cybertruck Gigafactory, the electric vehicle factory in southeastern Travis County, telling county commissioners during a meeting that many of the 5,000 jobs created would provide needed opportunities for high school graduates. Shonda Novak has published an interesting story at Austin Statesman explaining what some people in Austin think about the Cybertruck Gigafactory, Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory in the city, and why the proposal got mixed reactions. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time and would like to know about this developing story, where Tesla will build its Cybertruck Gigafactory, please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload our next story. Speaking of mixed reactions, if you remember, Giga Berlin also got some mixed reactions because there were a lot of environmentalists who opposed the Giga Berlin, falling trees and cutting the forests and so on. But let's see why Austin's Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory in Austin got some mixed reactions. The California-based electric automaker said it would boost career paths through numerous apprenticeship programs, internships, and partnerships with local schools, community colleges, and universities, training prospective workers in areas such as automation and robotics. Tesla officials, Rohan Patel, Senior Global Director of Public Policy and Business Development, and Valerie Capers-Workman, Tesla's Vice President of People, highlighted the company's commitment to diversity, environmentally sustainable development, affordable housing, and other community benefits. Travis County and Dalewell School District are considering millions of dollars in property tax breaks to help attract the plant. Tesla has not yet made a final decision on where it will be located, where this Cybertruck Gigafactory will be located. And Tulsa, Oklahoma also is being considered, although I haven't recently seen much news coming from Tulsa, Oklahoma myself. In addition to presentations from Tesla officials and Diana Ramirez, the County Director of Economic Development and Strategic Investment, Travis County commissioners on Tuesday took calls from the public at its virtual meeting. The meeting was online. Now, some residents spoke in favor of the plant and incentives of Tesla, saying the Cybertruck Gigafactory in Austin would bring jobs and services to a part of the county that needs them. But other residents were, interestingly and surprisingly, strongly opposed, saying Tesla has failed to live up to its promises and obligations in other states, doesn't care about its employees' health and safety, and has retaliated against unionizing workers. One speaker said Tesla, quote, shouldn't be getting a corporate handout, it should pay for its own, end of the quote. The Travis County's proposed economic development agreement would amount to almost $14.7 million in property tax rebates to Tesla over 10 years if the electric automaker, which has a stock market value of more than $180 billion, built its factory there. We're talking about Tesla's Cybertruck Gigafactory, or it has also been called a Terafactory because of its size. In response to questions from various Travis County commissioners, the company stressed Tesla that it plans to hire workers and predominantly full-time employees from within the local community. Patel said it would be up to the local workforce whether or not they want to unionize. Now that's interesting. The Dalewell School District is considering incentives for Tesla that would rebate about $50 million in property taxes over 10 years to the company if Tesla builds its so-called Gigafactory here. The American Statesman previously estimated that the value of the school district's incentives would be about $68 million, but that figure didn't account for some of the property taxes that the company will pay for the district's debt service. The Dalewell district is planning to hold a public hearing on its proposed incentives agreed also today at 6:30 p.m. Tesla is considering building its Austin area factory on tomorrow. Thursday is tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. So the Dalewell district is planning to hold a public hearing on its proposed incentive agreement at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow evening at 6:30 p.m. Central Time, we should know more about this development, how close is Tesla in building its Cybertruck pickup truck Gigafactory in Austin area. Tesla is considering building its Austin area Gigafactory on 2,100 acres along Texas 130 near Harold Green Road, northeast of Austin Bergstrom International Airport. In exchange for the tax subsidies, the company is promising 5,000 jobs, some 65% of which would be unskilled jobs that do not require a college degree. The factory, the Gigafactory, would manufacture Tesla's future Cybertruck electric pickup truck and also be a second site for building its Model Y electric crossover SUV. The property currently is a sand and gravel mining site with a concrete plant owned and operated by Martin Marietta. The Martin Marietta plant would be relocated on the site if Tesla were to build its factory there. The county hired economist Jon Hockenyos to conduct a cost and benefit analysis of the proposed plant. Hockenyos said the Tesla factory, could be expected to generate more than $600 million in annual sales activity, more than 4,000 non-new Tesla jobs from ripple effects, and more than $425 million in new annual wages above and beyond wages of Tesla employees. Here's a quote: "The benefit substantially outweighed the costs to the community," Hockenyos said. "It's a marvelous opportunity with a net benefit to the county." That was the end of the quote. Travis County's Ramirez said the virus has heightened the focus on the need for jobs, and noted that many of the Tesla's jobs would be middle skills jobs that don't require a college degree. Quote, "I fully expect we will see additional types of associated development occurring in Travis County because of Tesla moving here," Ramirez said. But one speaker who lives in the area where the plant would be built said the tax burden of Tesla locating in the Dalewell area seems to be a heavy load for the community of about 28,000 people, which has other pressing needs, including for libraries and infrastructure. Giving such a tax break would be devastating for the community, she said. Other callers noted that Tesla has failed to live up to its agreements in other states, including violating air emissions standards and labor laws. Austin resident Susan Moffat said she is concerned not only about Tesla's corporate record, but also about the pay levels for the jobs it would bring here. The annual pay Tesla has cited for its entry-level jobs is $35,000, and its average annual salary is $47,147, are both classified as low income under federal guidelines for median family income in the Austin area. Most of the housing will need to be publicly subsidized, said Moffat, a longtime community activist, adding that it would be nice to have that tax break money to provide housing for employees. At the median level, Tesla has said the annual salary would be $68,303 plus full benefits, with half of the jobs paying more than that amount and half paying less. If Travis County is selected for the plant, Construction likely will start in the third quarter of 2020, pending required permitting and construction approvals from the city and county. The factory could take 2 to 3 years to complete, according to the company. Last week, site selection consultant John Boyd told the American Statesman that Austin is an ideal fit for Tesla. Boyd has advised companies including Boeing, AT&T, and Dell Technologies in their own office location selection process. He said his sources in Texas tell him that Austin is all but a done deal. That begs the question, assuming Austin gets this coveted trophy project, is the Tesla headquarters next? I could see Austin, San Antonio, and Dallas being the mix for that. Do you think Tesla may also move its headquarters to Austin, San Antonio, or Dallas? If yes, which one? Friends, this is Armin Haryan from TurkNews.com. Let us continue the discussion in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about these developments and what you think about the mixed reactions Austin has for Tesla Gigafactory, Cybertruck Gigafactory. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you may be notified. Look around our channel, see what you like, and see how many coverages we have about Tesla and electric cars daily. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and see you soon. Take good care of your families.